Ever wondered if expensive makeup is really worth it? Today, we're putting it to the test. One side of a face with luxury products, the other with budget finds. It's a proper face-off. £100 worth of high-end makeup versus affordable picks anyone can buy. Can you spot the difference? Is it about the price or just the final look? We'll compare shiny bottles to simple tubes and see if a high price tag means a better finish. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Whether you save up for a special lipstick or love a bargain, this challenge is for you. We'll explore what makes someone choose a £50 foundation over a £5 one. Is it the brand, the ingredients, or just clever marketing? We'll see how both sides perform throughout a busy day. So, grab a cuppa and join us for this grand makeup face-off. Let the challenge begin. Why do people spend so much on makeup? For some, it's about the experience, luxury packaging, a glamorous store, and that film star feeling. High-end brands promise better ingredients and smoother results, making you believe you're investing in your skin. There's also the power of storytelling, celebrities, glossy ads, and the dream of joining an exclusive club. Sometimes, it's just about treating yourself, a little luxury to celebrate a win or brighten a tough day. Expensive makeup can feel like a reward, a ritual, or a confidence boost. But is it really better or just better marketed? For many, the joy is in the ritual and the story, not just the product. The price tag can make it feel special, but it's the feeling that matters most. Whether it's a splurge or a treat, makeup is about more than just color. It's a personal moment of joy. And sometimes, you just can't put a price on that. Place a luxury product next to a budget one, and the first thing you notice is the packaging. Expensive makeup comes in heavy glass bottles and sleek designs, making you feel pampered before you even open it. Budget brands keep it simple. Plastic tubes, no frills, but just as functional. Inside, luxury brands often use finer powders and richer pigments, promising a silkier feel and vibrant color. But sometimes, the difference is smaller than you think. Some products are even made in the same factories. High-end brands sell a dream with glamorous ads and exclusivity. Budget brands focus on practicality and fun, showing real people using their products. The truth? A great £8 concealer might share DNA with a £30 one. Sometimes you're paying for the experience, not just the formula. It's like buying a fancy biscuit or a plain one from the same bakery. So, what are you really paying for? Performance, packaging, or prestige? The answer isn't always clear, but it's always interesting. Now, let's apply the makeup. On the luxury side, foundation glides on smoothly, blends easily, and needs just a little for full coverage. The powder is light, the blush is buildable, and everything works together seamlessly. On the budget side, you might need to blend a bit more, layer a little extra, and pay attention to details. The results? Both sides can look great, but luxury makeup often lasts longer and needs fewer touch-ups. After a few hours, the expensive side still looks fresh, while the budget side might need a quick fix. But with a little effort, both can look lovely. Longevity is where luxury shines, but budget makeup is perfectly capable with a bit of care. The key is technique. How you apply matters as much as what you use. Even if the budget side needs more maintenance, it still delivers. Makeup is about skill, not just price. Both sides have their strengths, and both can make you feel fantastic. It's all in the application. Makeup isn't just about colors, it's about how it makes you feel. For some, applying makeup is a calming ritual, a way to start the day with confidence. Expensive products can make the ritual feel luxurious, but confidence doesn't come from the price tag. Makeup is a tool for creativity and self-expression, whether you're bold one day or subtle the next. Budget makeup lets you experiment without worry, making it easy to try new looks. The act of transformation is empowering, no matter the cost. You control your look, your mood, and your style. The real magic is in how you use it. A £3 lipstick can make you feel like a superstar if you wear it with pride. The products are just tools. The confidence comes from you. It's about liking the person you see in the mirror. and that's priceless. Ask people about makeup, and you'll hear every opinion under the sun. Some swear by luxury brands for sensitive skin and beautiful packaging. It's their daily treat. Others are budget beauty experts, finding amazing products for less and spending the savings elsewhere. Many mix and match, splurge on foundation, save on mascara, and experiment with trends using affordable options. Makeup artists often recommend investing in your base, but going budget for colors and fun. And for some, it's all about play. If a glittery palette catches their eye, they buy it, no matter the brand. The best products aren't always the most expensive or the cheapest. They're the ones that make you feel good. Whether it's a bargain bin find or a fancy gift, it's about creativity and joy. Everyone's routine is different, and that's what makes makeup fun. There's no right or wrong way. It's all about what works for you. And that's the real beauty of it. The grand reveal. Can anyone tell which side is luxury and which is budget? Our claymation friends squint, guess, and mostly can't spot the difference. From a distance, both sides look vibrant and polished. The expensive side might have a subtle glow, but skillful application makes the budget side shine too. It proves technique often matters more than price. So does the price matter? Sometimes, for the experience, the feel, or the treat. But the real value is in how makeup makes you feel. Whether it's a splurge or a steal, it's your passion and creativity that count. The most important thing isn't the brand, it's the confidence and joy you bring to your look. Makeup is about self-expression, not just spending. The real beauty is in your smile, not the price tag. And that's what truly shines through.